Hi, I'm Cassie, and this is Surprises Play, and today we're going to be opening the new holiday Make It Miniverse mini foods. So I got 3 of them, and we'll see which ones we got. So let's start off with this one. I can't even get this out. There we go. Oh! I am just a mess. I'm throwing this at myself. I'm dropping pieces. So let's hope we can make whatever's in here without a problem. Okay, so we have this little golden table. That's cute. And then we have all the stuff inside. I'm throwing it everywhere. And then we have our little checklist on what holiday items. Oh, I guess there's only these 3 items that we can get. Oh, this is so cute. We got a little letter. It says 100% Merry. Oh, that is so cute. It's like oh, happy holidays. That is so cute. I'm gonna have to give this to my daughter. I'll write her a little note in there. Oh, that is so cute. Look at this. Okay. Let's see what we got. Some carrots. Those are cute. They're different colors. How carrots should be. So cute. Look at these mini carrots. And then we got a turkey. How cute is this? Look at this little turkey. That is just so cute. Okay, and then we got, oops, our tongs, and then, oh, it looks like there's some, oh, there's something for the turkey in here. So here's the top, you know, the little thing that normally goes on the top of the lid. That's what this one looks like. It's just a little snowflake. I think that's so cute. So cute. So cute. And then, oh yeah, so for the turkey, it looks like we got these little, I don't know what they're called, but they go on the ends of the turkey. So we have these. And then our tongs, and they're gold. I think that's really cute. Oh, and we got this little brush to brush the glaze on the turkey. I think that's awesome. And what else did we get? We got, oh cute, a little tray. Oh, look at this. It's a little Christmas tray. Oh. So cute. I just can't get over it. This holiday stuff is killing me. Okay, and this is probably the glaze. Yes. Turkey glaze. So we're going to make a turkey and then cure it in this little oven. So let's see if there's anything in there right now. Nope. So let's take these little turkey legs. And then we'll open up the turkey. Look at the turkey. It looks so real. Just look at this. Holy crap. It is so cute. Okay, and then we'll put these ends on the turkey. Comment below if you know what these things are called that you put on the ends of the turkey. So here's for the turkey. Oh, look at the little wings. So that is so cute. Oh my gosh, I can't even. Okay, and then we're supposed to put it on the plate and then use the glaze. This isn't gonna come out very good, and I already know it. Here we go. We'll just glaze up the turkey. We'll use this little stick or this little brush. Spread out our glaze on our turkey. There we go. That looks good. And then the carrots go on there, but they're not gonna stay, so we're gonna just bake this turkey. And while we're waiting, just press on. We're gonna open the rest of these. So hopefully we don't get any doubles. Okay, so let's see what we got here. So we can only get 3 items, so I'm really curious on if we got any doubles. And it looks like we might have already gotten a double. So here is the little Christmas plate. And then let's see. Yep, and then the turkey glaze. So we already have that one. We'll put this aside for someone else. Okay, let's see this last one. I really hope it's something good. I kind of want this really bad, so we'll see. I just love that it says holiday on it. It's so cute. And let's see what we got. Let's try this one first. Oh, looks like we got something different. Milk. Oh, looks like we're making cocoa. Oh my gosh, look at these. Oh, they are so cute. Look at them. Oh, they're little cocoa mugs. Just look at that. Oh, I love that. Okay. Throw these away. Oh my gosh, look. Ah! Little doilies. Oh, for going underneath the cocoa. Okay, let's see what we got next. We have 2 items. No, we have 3. Sprinkles? Oh my goodness, so cute! Sprinkles! That's so cute. I love sprinkles. My daughter loves sprinkles too. Oh my goodness. Okay. Oh my gosh, look at these. They're mini candy canes. Holy cow. Okay, you know what? I don't know if I want to make this one up because I want to be able to use the small pieces. Let's see what else is in here first. Let's just check it out. Oh my gosh, little mini marshmallows. I can't even. Okay, we're going to make this hot cocoa, but I cannot believe how cute all of this stuff is. And then I'm sure this is the tongs. Yep, and the topper. Okay, so I think we put this milk in here. Let's lower it. Okay, so it's just hot chocolate milk, or it's just chocolate milk, hot chocolate milk. I'm funny. But it doesn't want to come out very well. And it's square, so you can't really squeeze it. Ugh. You know what? I don't think we're gonna make this one because I think it's so adorable how it is. And I like the mini candy canes, and I want my dolls to hold them or be able to like put them on the Christmas tree in little shots. So I think I'm not going to make that one, but this was really fun. I like the holiday items. It kind of is unfortunate that you can only get 3. I think it would have been cool if we would have had like gingerbread cookies, you know, sugar cookies, Santa cookies, things like that. They would be really cute. So anyways, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more of this, subscribe. And if you want to see more videos like this, comment below and let me know your thoughts. Thank you for watching, you guys. Bye.